Hi, hi. This is Royal Cleaning and Custom Services. Hey, documenting another property that we have. This is a 3 bedroom, 2 bath. This is another property that we do for the banks. Okay, we do property maintenance. Uh, we rehabilitate our properties. We fix pretty much anything that our property needs fixing. Handyman slash contractor slash cleaning company slash lawn service. We're gonna be trimming this, making all the lawn service nice. And let me give you a little walk of the property. It's a nice, with we have the golf access. We're gonna be repairing the roof, making sure the roof is good. There's no structure damage. There's no shingles. We're gonna be replacing all this. As you see this, this is another pool that I have to do initiate the pool cleaning. We're gonna be removing all this debris from there. We're gonna be fixing all this. Any of this, they are bad. We're pretty much gonna be, see that? This is bad, you see? This is all bad. We have, see on the top, oh yeah, there's some damaged one, there's missing in here. And then, as you see, this is the way we get the property, okay? All dirty, all, abandoned for a few years. They secure these doors the wrong way, as you see. These doors are secured the wrong way. They're not supposed to do this, as it's easy to get into. See that? You can get to the property through here. So we're gonna be securing this the right way. And if you see right here, they did break into the property. Some stupid people, lots of the graffitis. See, that's all glass, the generator in there. And then boom, and they open holes in the walls. There's, mildew. There's personal belongings. All this is gonna be cleaned, dispose all this. And then all this right here, all personal belongings in here are all gonna be taken out. All this, pretty much all these are gonna be bye-bye. I'm gonna check the ceiling, fix the fridge. We're gonna be fixing these doors, bifold doors. You got holes in here. We're gonna be fixing that. Cleaning the kitchen, putting all the stuff, where it needs to go. And then fixing all these windows, cleaning the floors, of course. I did came before, so I raised the windows so there wouldn't be nobody coming in here anymore. Some stupid people, they use the toilet. Well, that's kind of part of what we do, more graffitis. And then they broke all the blades from the fan. All these is gonna be clean, getting ready for people to move into. That's my job. My job is to fix this house, pretty much like it's mine. I'm gonna be probably replacing this laminated floor, more likely because they throw paint in here. There's paint in there. Sometimes, yeah. So it's gonna be really difficult to remove these things from this laminated floor. You see there's more in here. So, yeah, there you go. So, all this paint, I'm gonna try to maybe scrape it. If it's not, it's gonna have to be replaced. Fix all this stuff, throw more stuff. Ooh, look at that. I gotta replace that wall. And then 2 toilets, weird, but and also, okay, there's all this. That's actually like a handle or something. Okay, cool. And then, that broke the window and they did graffitis. I'm telling you, people, man. These white cameras are lovely because you could catch these vandals, crooked people, destroying properties that are not theirs. Seriously, the world is gonna end, man. Tell me, people like this, should be put in jail. Anyway, so So that's kind of the property, you know, the pool. I'm gonna be fixing pretty much all the screens and then, you know, fix everything to where people can use it, okay? So let me show you. I'm gonna start this puppy and then let me start this for a second and then let me see, there's some and that's here. Drain all that water, but I usually like to circulate the water first, get all the grease stuff all moving. You know what I mean? That's probably gonna get that. Probably asking me for gas, so. Oh, this is once again Royal Cleaning and Custom Service documenting another property that we have, and that's so I can take some of the stuff. So, if you want your properties done the right way, you know what to do. Royal Cleaning and Custom Services. We do screens, we do property preservation. I'm gonna fix all this, fix windows, you know, do the grass, cut the bushes, cut the scrubs, do the lawn service. I'm gonna be taking care of the pool every 2 weeks. Also gonna be taking care of the grass. No, I'm sorry. Pool once a week, and then the grass every 2 weeks. And I'm also gonna be fixing all this. Now, ask me how that got in there. Probably some people, you know, just want to destroy stuff. You know, all this is gonna be probably pressure wash. Yeah, we're gonna pressure wash the deck, and then so all these are gonna be clean. Like, you won't even recognize how good this stuff is until you see it done. All this is gonna be pressure wash the deck. You know, it's looking good. I'm gonna be redoing the screens. So if you want your stuff done the right way, you know what to do. Royal Cleaning and Custom Services, 1-800-554-7299. All right. So you know what to do. 1-800-554-7299. We do residential, commercial. We also do any type of custom services. We also are into property maintenance. We also do home watch and any type of custom jobs. So if you want your job done the right way, you know what to do. Look at that bigger snake going around. Isn't that cool? That's a bigger snake. Look at that. See that snake? That snake? Oh, look at that snake. That bigger black snake swimming around. Oh my goodness. No, I'm kidding. But it looks like it. All right. So, listen. Call us now and start experiencing the Royal treatment.